How to use the free offer button at the top of ChatGPT and aren't sure what it does? Here's how to use it. First, open Safari on your iPhone. Then search for ChatGPT and open it. If you are not already signed in to your ChatGPT account, then sign in. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top of the page. If you're eligible, you'll see a free offer button. Tap Free Offer to view the available promotion. On the next screen, you'll see the details of the offer, including the features you'll get. Read the information carefully, then tap Claim Free Offer, or tap depending on what appears on your screen. If prompted, verify your Apple ID using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. You may also be asked to add or confirm a payment method. Even though the trial is free, Apple may require a valid payment method before activating the offer. You won't be charged until the trial ends, unless you cancel before the renewal date. When everything is done, finally tap Subscribe. The free offer will be activated automatically, and you'll have access to the included premium features during the trial period. Before the trial ends, you can cancel your subscription anytime from Settings. And that's it. That's how you can use the ChatGPT free offer on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.